Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by creating a system restore point so you can undo changes if needed. Next, download the exact driver package for your model and Windows 10 build. 64-bit versus 32-bit matters. Once done, open Device Manager using an administrator account and find the device category. Right-click the specific device and choose Update Driver to begin the process. This gets you into Windows Update flow without wasting time on unrelated setup. You'll now perform the install. Select Update Driver, then try Search automatically so Windows checks Windows Update and built-in drivers. If you downloaded a vendor package, pick Browse My Computer and point to the extracted folder. Use the INF file if present, and confirm prompts. Once done, review driver details in Properties to ensure version and date match the download. If installation errors occur or files are blocked, reboot to safe mode and run the installer. Finish by restarting Windows so the new driver initializes. Then open Device Manager and check the device status and driver version in Properties. You should test the hardware, print a page, play audio, or run a display test to confirm functional improvement. If issues appear, use Rollback Driver from Properties or boot to safe mode and run system, restore to your earlier point. One key troubleshooting tip: disable driver signature enforcement temporarily only if the vendor driver is unsigned.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.